Hey YouTube, I hope everyone's doing well today. So I have this Buick Lacrosse here, and this is the third time it's been here. All for separate reasons, but basically for the same thing. It's had an ABS code every single time, and each time he comes in, it's for a different wheel. And I just wanted to show you why. So, when we get an ABS code, there's a few things I always check. And dependent on if you can see this magnetic ring here, you can see that it's broken. See that missing piece there? So, if you have an ABS code, that's a telltale sign. If you see that, I would definitely say that's your issue. He started off, the right rear was first, the left rear was second, now the right front is third, and I'm just wondering when the last one's gonna go. But maybe it's the design. These are quite open to the elements. Like, let me show you. So for instance, you can see this one so clearly. Like, so if something were to jump up in there, like a rock or something, and get stuck, that would get damaged instantly. And this side too. The front is a little bit exposed, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you have a car like this and you have a similar problem and you're trying to figure it out, look for this first, check your tone ring, check the codes and go from there. But I just wanted to share this little bit of info with you, and I hope that you have a good day. Thank you.